We'll head back to court in just a moment, but first, joining me here in studio to discuss and break it all down, attorney Michael Jaafar. Always great to see you, especially in person. Listen, I've told you, I think at this point, either side can convince a jury, so I think there might even be another hung jury. Where do you stand on this, the guilt of Karen Read, and whether or not it can be proven?
Oh, that's a great question. So I hope it can be proven. If this was any other case, if we had common sense and rational thinking, I think it's a slam dunk. But we don't know with this jury, right? This is a completely different case in many ways. I look at the opening statements. Here's what I took from the opening statements. Hank Brennan went up there and said, I'm going to show you that the earth is round, not flat. And if you believe that the earth is round, you're going to find that Karen Read did this. Alan Jackson got up there and did what he had to do, which is, I'm going to show you that the earth is flat. And the reason it's flat is because Michael Proctor's a bad guy. That's how I read from the opening statements, right? I look at her defense theory as completely delusional, divorced from reality. I call it the Bigfoot theory. Why? Tongue-in-cheek. Because it's more likely that Sasquatch popped out of the forest behind Albert's home, smashed John O'Keefe into the taillight, and then disappeared back into the forest. The reason that that's more likely than her theory is because that only requires me to make one idiotic assumption, that Bigfoot exists and he had an axe to grind against John O'Keefe. To believe Karen Read's theory, you got to have at least 18, you got to make 18 like idiotic assumptions.